Across a nation that never stops moving, highways are more than roads. They are lifelines. About 1.5 lakh kilometers of national highways, connecting mountains and coasts, villages and cities, dreams and destinations. But today, a new story is unfolding along these roads. A story not just of concrete and steel, but of roots and canopies and the color green. The National Highways Authority of India has always known great infrastructure must coexist with a healthy planet. Since 2015, under the Green Highways policy, NHAI has planted over 4 crore trees across our national highway network. But commitment needs measurement, and measurement needs science. That is why NHAI has partnered with the National Remote Sensing Center to build something truly first of its kind, the National Highway Green Cover Index. Using high-resolution Indian satellites, geospatial data and advanced monitoring tools, every plantation, every green patch along 30,000 kilometers of national highways is now tracked, assessed and reported. This is not just monitoring. This is accountability in action. On the ground, this vision is taking root. In its first assessment, satellite data from July to December 2024 was analyzed across nearly 30,000 kilometers of national highways. Green corridors are rising. From the lush landscapes of the northeast to the sun-bright stretches of the west. From the heartlands of central India to the thriving green corridors of the south. And 5 regional offices have risen to the top. Regional Office Guwahati, NH27. From Lanka to Hatikala, where the land breathes easy and the hills stay green. Regional Office Guwahati leads the nation. On National Highway 27, nearly 70% of the stretch is covered in living green. A testament to the Northeast's natural richness and to the teams who protect it every single day. Regional Office Gandhinagar, Vadodara-Mumbai Expressway. In the west, where precision meets ambition, the Vadodara-Mumbai Expressway under PIU Godhra records over 95% green cover, one of the greenest stretches in the entire country. A green ribbon cutting through Gujarat's heartland. Regional Office Patna, NH30, Koilwar to Bhojpur. In Bihar, along the ancient banks of the Ganga, the Koilwar to Bhojpur section on NH30 stands tall. With nearly 70% green cover along its avenues, this stretch proves that commitment and care can transform even the most challenging corridors. Regional Office Telangana, NH 365, Khanamchadla to Jamandlapal. In Telangana, a stretch that few may know by name has become a quiet champion. From Thanamchadla to Jamandlapal on NH 365, a highway that now wears its green with pride. With nearly 64% green cover, it is ranked among the best in all of southern India. Regional Office Madurai, NH 44, Madurai to Kanyakumari. A highway stretching toward the tip of India, now lined with trees. This iconic route, with almost 80% green cover, records the highest green cover in the state, where the road meets the horizon and nature walks alongside. Each of these stretches is more than a number. Each is proof that policy, effort and technology, when aligned, can transform a road into a living ecosystem. Behind every number, there of a person, the worker who planted a sapling in the summer heat, the engineer who mapped a plantation on a remote stretch. The community that now breathes cleaner air because of a highway nearby chose to go green. Green highways do more than look beautiful. They absorb carbon. They harbor biodiversity. They cool the air for towns and villages along the path. They give back to the earth what development has always asked of it. India is building highways at a pace the world watches. But India is also making a promise that every road we build will carry not with vehicles, but the weight of our responsibility to this planet. Every year, new assessments will track progress. More stretches will be measured. More regions will be celebrated and held to a higher standard. The National Highways Green Cover Index is not just a number. It is a mirror reflecting how India cares for its land, even as it builds toward its future. Because India is not just building highways. India is building a greener future.